Toodly-doo, hippies. All right, so you want to catch a Midas cichlid. You go around, you look on the rock walls then use a net, and you get you these damn invasive snails right here. Just netted this one bastard real quick. Yeah. So getting the meat out of these is hard as hell. So what I do is I went to Harbor Freight and bought me a cheap ass pair of these. If any of you all have emotional diabetes, you might want to look away. Pliers, and then you can get your cutting board and you just break them like that with those big ass pliers. There you go. There's your big old thing of snail meat. So yeah, that's how I do it. And then I just cut big old pieces of meat off like that right there. That's a good slabbing chunk. Doesn't take a whole lot, but like a little piece like that should catch you a couple Midas cichlid. Got him. And I got a tilapia. Okay, I'll take it. No, that is another Midas. Just a brown colored one. Cool. Get out of here, buddy. I want the orange ones. I can see right here. Okay. Got him. Finally. All right. That's the one I'm after right here. He's still got a little calico color on him. Beautiful. Pretty fish. Let's get a picture. Thanks for biting, buddy. Get out of here. Got him. Ooh. Bigger one. I don't know what this is. Is this a hornet tilapia? No, this is a big, that's another golden Midas, just a dark colored one. Oh, that is interesting. Very interesting. Oh, don't. I was gonna let you go, buddy. I'm still gonna let you go. Get out of here. Sack of shit. Got him. What in the hell? You gotta be shitting me. I caught a calico Midas cichlid here. I'm not actually sure what the hell this is. Wow, yeah, I've got no clue. Maybe a Midas cichlid? But it's so crazy that it hit that little crappie jig. It's a fluke. I gotta get a picture of this sumbitch. Cool fish. Get out of here. All right, well, so you want to catch one of those fuckers, I guess, you use a little crappie jig, a little walnut piss, otherwise known as Procure. Love this stuff. I'm using Snook. I honestly don't think it matters what kind you use. Walnut piss is my favorite scent, so. Weird, huh? Didn't have to use snail. Oh, I got a decent fish here. What do I got? A jaguar. guapote. Oh man, always like catching these jags. Another beautiful fish. Oh, he swallowed it, so. And he's pissing on me. Let's see the beautiful blue speckles. Oh man, I gotta get a picture of him. I think this is a good one to call it on. Thanks for biting, buddy. Get out of here. All right, well, that wraps up our fishing venture today. I think the count was 4 Midas Cichlid, a peacock bass, 1 tilapia, and a jaguar guapote. Not bad. Thanks for watching. If you don't catch some fish, drink some beer.